Hey guys, so today we will be making a quick and easy fall decorative bow. What you will need, I have the mini Bowdabra, some bow wire. I have this ribbon that's 3/8 inches in width, and it's really pretty because it has like gold patterns of pumpkins and leaves on it, so very festive. And I have one piece that's about 20-25 inches, just long enough to tie around things. And then I have 5 pieces that are 15 inches in length and 5 pieces that are 8 inches in length. And the 8-inch long pieces, I did ribbon cut the end, which is just folding in half, open ends at the bottom, fold at the top, and cutting at a diagonal, just like that. Alright, let's get started. First thing you're going to do is fold your bow wire in half, place it down, and then take your really long piece. So the length of this piece doesn't matter because this is just going to help you tie it to things. So if you want it really long, you can do that, or shorter, completely up to you. But I'm going to fold it to find the center, and I'm going to scrunch it right side up, because when I tie it around something, I want the pattern side to show. Next thing I'm going to do, take a spike, scrunch it, place it down, another scrunch and place it down. And then since it is 3/8 inches, it is going to be a little more difficult to scrunch. Take my wand, place it down, and when the wand is in place, I'm able to maneuver the ribbon a little bit better. I can make sure that everything is exactly where I would like for it to be. Alright, just like that. That looks so cute and adorable. It's really quick and easy to do. It takes just a couple of minutes. So I'm going to take the loop and place the open ends inside the loop. I'm going to hold my bow in place and pull. Give it a nice sturdy tug. Then I'm going to tie it a couple of times. You choose to do so. You can just make the bow wire a little bit longer and use that to tie it. But for this specific bow, I wanted to use more of the thicker decorative ribbon to tie it. Just going to cut this bow wire, cut the excess. You'll need one more piece of ribbon actually, about 4 inches. Just tie it in a knot. There's the cute little knot, and this is going to go just right in the center, just like that. And I'm going to hot glue it in place. I'm just like fluffing it up a little bit, but it looks so cute and adorable. Perfect decor for a wreath, a door, anything you'd like. You can even put a clip on the back and make it a hair bow. So the possibilities are endless. But with this extra piece at the back, this kind of helps you to be able to, let's say you want to tie this to a candle or to a lantern or to a light post. Whatever you choose, you can do that. Let me show you. Say you would like to place a bow on this candle holder. You would just take it. You can tie it at the back. And I would just do like a simple little double knot. Just like that. Again, you can cut the excess, make it longer, shorter, whatever you choose. And there you have it. An adorable bow for a candle holder. All you need is a cute little candle. Again, you can substitute this for bow wire, but since it's going to be visible, that's why I chose to use the decorative ribbon. But quick, easy, and simple to do. Modify the color, the style, whatever you choose. Okay, and then another option, if you choose not to use the candle, you can just use fall decor. Just like that. Just be creative, have fun, and make it your own.